Hello everybody, my name is LegoEJMGooGoo. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a Lego mini truck. Let's begin. Okay, so let's start with the engine. So first, you're going to need 3 1x1 black studs, then you're going to need 1 1x4 plate, then you're going to need 1 1x1 white slope. You're going to need 2 1x1 white plates. And lastly, you're going to need 1 1x1 transparent slope. Alright, now for the cargo. So you're going to need 2 1x1 black studs. Then you're going to need 1 1x2 flat. Then you're going to need 1 1x1 flat. Next, you're going to need 1 1x6 plate. Next, you're going to get another 1x2 plate. You're going to need another 1x6 plate. And you're going to get 2 1x4 plates. Oops. Then you're going to need our last 1x2 plate. Then you're going to need another 1x6 plate. Place it up top there. Then you're going to need 1 1x4 flat tile. Then you're going to get 2 1x2 plates with jumper. And there you go. Now just put this right here. And you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped you in some way. If it did, please leave a like, share, subscribe, comment, and ask questions. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.